Coming up next in this video. Stab-a-nut harvester. How about forgetting about the times when collecting nuts was difficult and you had to constantly bend over? This American company Bag-A-Nut offers this special equipment which will greatly facilitate and accelerate the procedure of collecting nuts for only $90. It requires minimal effort for the user. All you need to do is move your hands while lowering the device to the ground. Nuts fall between the bristles and get stuck in them, and then with the single movement of the hand, they're placed in the bucket. Stab-a-nut is suitable for collecting nuts of different sizes. It can be used for pecans, acorns, chestnuts, and spiky sweet gumballs. Revolutionary gardening tools are changing the game. Dive into the world of innovation with the quick drill. Imagine ditching the mess and hassle of dirty hands while planting your favorite veggies. Manufacturers are on a mission to bring you the most exciting and efficient gardening equipment. The quick drill, available in 3 sizes, isn't just a tool. It's a gardening game changer. The smallest size is your go-to for veggies, but the possibilities don't stop there. Picture this. The medium-sized drill isn't just for planting, it's your ticket to effortlessly set up a fence. And here's the game changer: marked depths on the drill guarantee precision. Say goodbye to digging too deep or missing the mark. Size L steps in when you're dreaming of trees or bushes in your garden. The best part? You're not breaking the bank for this innovation. Prices range from $60 to $90, depending on the model. Ready to revolutionize your gardening experience? The quick drill is your secret weapon. Say hello to the future of lawn maintenance. Meet Mimo. Tired of spending hours under the sun, cutting your grass every few weeks? Honda's latest invention is here to transform your lawn care routine. Imagine a perfectly manicured lawn without breaking a sweat. Mimo, the cutting-edge robot from Honda, boasts computerized precision that ensures every millimeter of your lawn is trimmed to perfection. Setting up is a breeze. Just define the working area with small ground sensors. These sensors aren't just limited to one spot. You can strategically place them to protect your precious trees, bushes, and flower beds. But that's not all. Mimo won't stray beyond your yard, thanks to the smart sensors. No more worries about unwanted collisions or grass cutting where it shouldn't be. Mimo navigates your lawn with ease, identifying areas that need special attention. And here's the magic touch. It returns to its charging station autonomously. But wait, there's more. Customize your lawn's look with programmable cutting patterns. Mimo isn't just a mower, it's a high-tech, lawn-loving companion. Embrace the future of lawn care with Mimo, where precision meets perfection. Step into the future of planting with the Paper Pot Transplanter, your ticket to hassle-free, efficient farming. This cutting-edge equipment, proudly crafted by a California-based company, redefines the way we plant with its automatic, minimal-effort design. Perfect for small farms, the paper pot transplanter introduces a revolutionary chain paper pot system. Watch as it effortlessly transforms the planting process. Simply pull the device behind you, and like magic, it skillfully plunges paper pots into the soil, one after another. In our video, witness the seamless planting of shallots. But here's the kicker. This device is versatile enough for a wide range of crops. Say goodbye to back-breaking planting methods and hello to a new era of precision and efficiency. Multi-headed nut wizard. Here is another device to harvest nuts. It makes picking nuts even easier and faster. Fruits are collected in a special compartment. There are 10 of them, and they can fit up to 18 kilograms of nuts. The multi-headed nut wizard stands out for its efficiency and capacity, and with its help, you can collect a fairly large number of nuts in just a few minutes. When the compartments are filled completely, the device is moved to the platform, which opens them so that the nut falls out. It's noteworthy that the compartments are made of flexible metal rods that open from pressure grabbing the nuts. When the nuts are inside, the structure doesn't let them fall out. Introducing the Weed Puller, your solution to the age-old challenge of weed removal. Weeding, a task that's simple yet time-consuming, often leaves us with aching backs due to uncomfortable positions. But fear not, as the Finnish company Fiskars has revolutionized weed control with a special tool designed to ease the process. Say goodbye to back pain, as the Weed Puller allows you to effortlessly extract weeds from the ground while maintaining a comfortable position. No more leaning down. The device pierces the weed, extracting it along with the root. Once pulled, simply toss the weeds into the bucket. This game-changing equipment comes at a pocket-friendly price of $45. Oscillating sprinkler. Australian company Homan is engaged in the production of oscillating sprinklers. The design allows you to evenly irrigate square and rectangular areas without making puddles. When all watering holes are used and the device rotates 90 degrees, it can cover up to 300 square meters. To make the sprinkler settings more flexible, manufacturers have provided it with 2 adjustment levers. Thanks to them, the oscillating sprinkler is suitable for almost any lawn, and its price is $20. Ego Power plus 580 CFM blower. The representatives of Ego Company claim they managed to create the most powerful wireless blower in the world. It can be used to blow off not only leaves, but also small stones. In just a minute, it's able to blow up to 16 cubic meters of air. Ego Power plus 580 CFM blower is designed to perfectly meet the different needs of its owner. It has adjustable power and can be equipped with a variety of nozzles. In addition, it operates quieter than blowers that use gas. One of its advantages is water resistance, and you can buy it for $350. Thanks for watching this episode of Technocracy. Please support our channel by liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the earliest notification as soon as we upload a new exciting episode. See you soon and take care.